And when you cook, you always have matching dress.
Yeah, being an artist, I think it just happens.
I must tell you that in the whole world, if you want to eat DODKE ka chutney, it's only at Moog Art Cafe at Museum of Goa. Nowhere else in any other restaurant you get a DODKE ka chutney. So this is my sister, Harshada. She's an excellent charcoal artist, does wonderful portraits. And she is also an expert in chutneys. Today, she's going to create a chutney with DODKE or Ghosale, or it's called Turai in Hindi.
So these are the things which people normally throw. And we are going to make chutney out of this regis of the Ghosale. This recipe I learned when I stayed in Panjim. So my neighbor, Mr. Dada Dhukkar, he was the person who taught me this recipe. So we have to saute it a little so that there isn't too much of moisture in it. Otherwise our chutney will become too much watery.
ये थोड़ा exotic लग रहा है.
So now I'm going to put everything in the mixer here. This is my favorite, tamarind. You need it for almost every chutney that we make. Then of course chilies. We in India we cannot cook without chilies. And then garlic. I have crushed it a little bit. And of course in Goa we don't cook anything without coconut. And finally we are adding the main ingredient. It is better to use Goan local salt, but this time I am using the one which I found handy. Yes, our chutney is ready.
So let's taste it. Oh. It better be good. Excellent. It's finger licking good. You know how the word chutney came? It's from an Urdu word called chatna. And then you chatte hai when it is very good. So that's how it is chutney. And you get 100% marks. The texture is as good as your paintings. Wonderful.